Hello and welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, a universe where finance meets technology, creating a whirlwind of innovation, controversy, and wealth. We'll trace its roots, how Bitcoin stirred the market, and what lies ahead for this digital frontier, including the role of NFTs. Our journey starts in the late 2000s, amidst the financial turmoil. A new technology was born, carrying the promise of an economic world that didn't depend on centralized institutions. This was the genesis of Bitcoin, introduced to the world in 2009 by an anonymous entity called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin brought to life an ingenious technology, the blockchain, a decentralized, tamper-proof ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This technology enables peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. Initially, Bitcoin was a niche interest among cypherpunks and technologists. However, as the years passed, it captured the attention of a broader audience. Despite its wild price swings, it gradually turned from an internet oddity into a recognized financial instrument, sending ripples across global markets. But how has Bitcoin influenced the market? Well, Bitcoin's very existence has challenged the traditional notions of currency and pushed the boundaries of financial systems, paving the way for a wave of cryptocurrencies. It has attracted the interest of retail and institutional investors alike, created new markets, and influenced policy and regulation around the world. But Bitcoin and its crypto cousins are just the start of this digital revolution. Enter NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs, leveraging the same blockchain technology, have opened up new vistas for digital ownership and brought a fresh wave of excitement, particularly in the worlds of art, music, and entertainment. An NFT is a unique, non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a digital ledger, representing a unique digital item. What does this mean? Well, it means you can truly own a digital item, be it a tweet, a digital artwork, or even a piece of virtual real estate. As strange as it may sound, NFTs have gained incredible traction. Remember the recent sale of a digital artwork by Beeple for $69 million? That's the power of NFTs, bringing tangible value to the intangible. So, what lies in the future for cryptocurrency and blockchain technology? Cryptocurrency, despite its volatility, is gaining mainstream acceptance. Companies like Tesla and PayPal have adopted Bitcoin, and central banks worldwide are exploring digital currencies. The rising trend of DeFi, or decentralized finance, aims to recreate traditional financial systems with more transparency and less control from central authorities. As for NFTs, they're poised to redefine digital ownership and monetization of digital content. They could revolutionize industries like art, music, gaming, and much more. However, like any new technology, they face challenges such as market volatility, copyright issues, and environmental concerns due to the high energy consumption of blockchain transactions. Cryptocurrency and NFTs are not without their risks. But they represent a fascinating intersection of finance and technology, which could reshape our world in ways we're just beginning to understand. As we delve deeper into this brave new world of digital finance, remember, it's important to do your research and stay informed. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also complex and unpredictable. So, tread carefully, fellow explorers. That's it for today's journey into the crypto universe. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, the future is being written right now, in the code of the blockchain.